are decorating my bathroom today. I think after last week's video, I had major bathroom envy just because Lauren and Corn's bathroom turned out so cute. But it also was a very intense transformation. They owned a condo, so we were able to do things to the walls and paint and do all sorts of stuff. I'm in an apartment. If you can't tell from these bad boys, these cherry cabinets, but I have now been here for a year. My apartment has like sat blank. I haven't done anything to it. And so I'm just ready to decorate it. I have no plan. We're gonna plan it together. We're gonna go shopping together. So it'll be kind of like almost vlog-ish a little bit. I'm going to this place that has like a ton of stores. So I'm super excited about that. We're gonna decorate it. We're just gonna make it look like so much cuter while sticking to a renter-friendly mindset. Since I really can't do too many intense things with it. I can't even really paint. So we're gonna make it look really good and have it in a way that you can do it to your bathroom, I can do it to my bathroom, and I will not get fined for it in the future when I move out of this place. So this is the bathroom. What is awesome about it is that I have a bathroom right next to my bedroom. What is not so awesome about it is that it is very builder grade and then has these cherry red cabinets. So the builder grade part of it is not bad at all. I'm so lucky that this is what I'm working with. It really is a great bathroom for an apartment. I wish that these obviously were not, look at my nail. I wish that these were not as red as they are, but we're working with what we got. So we have these, it's a double sink, obviously you can tell. I think that we could do something really cute with like a tray or something in the center right here. Maybe a new towel. This is so cute. I'm kidding, but we're gonna, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I need to go on Pinterest and get some ideas, but something over here. Probably really won't do anything with the shower, but I'll just clean it up because look at all my stuff. Like it's not cute. And then above this toilet, I think that we can get rid of that towel bar hook since we'll do something with towels over here. And then, I don't know, like I said, we'll have to Pinterest it. But I don't want to do anything too intense. I don't want to switch out the hardware, even though that would be pretty easy. I don't feel like it's necessary. The lights, we're going to leave everything that's here that can't be taken off is gonna stay. So we're gonna work around that. I think getting a cute rug. But I want you to walk in here and be like, okay, this is like a really cute bathroom. And right now, you definitely don't do that. So I just spent a good like 20 to 30 minutes trying to get inspo for the bathroom on Pinterest. And I did find some images. I think it's funny to see like what I pull out of images. It might be surprising and like so random. I will say it's hard to get inspiration for a bathroom like this because a lot of the things that I'm taking inspo out of are like brand new bathrooms that have beautiful vanities and lighting I would choose and mirrors, and since we're working with what we've got, it's gonna look a little bit different. But this is what I found. So first up, it's the double vanity. So I was thinking it'd be really cute to have a tray in between that and just have like random stuff on it. So I found this picture, which I really liked. There's some perfumes. I have some perfumes that I could work with, and then like a greenery piece. So I could find a greenery piece. The similar thing was with this one. It had the greenery piece and then it had that gold frame in the back of it. I thought that would be cute if I'd put like a picture of Ben and I in it or something like that and have it like lean up against the wall on the tray and then have stuff in front of it. So I like that. And then above the toilet. So above the toilet always like gets me stuck. So I found a few inspo images for this one. The first one we could just do like one big image above it. And I think that this would actually play in really well together. It would be super easy to do because it's just one image. And I have a lot of frames in my master bedroom or like my bedroom that I sleep in that would tie in really well to that. So I was thinking like a white frame with a really cool piece of artwork in there would be pretty. Or we could do like a 2-frame situation, which I have a similar thing going on in my guest bathroom. So we could do that again and then have like a tray on the toilet and style that in a way, so that's an idea. Or I found this image with a shelf, and obviously we're not going to do a shelf, and usually I'm very anti doing open shelves above a toilet just because I feel like it gives such like a farmhouse vibe to it, and it's just so overdone and not cute. But it's such an easy way to decorate above a toilet, and so I'm like, if I could find shelves, and even maybe like black shelves, kind of like this image, and then style it similar. Like, I love that basket in those two vases. We could do some leaning frames in there. This is fully, all of this is fully dependent on what type of luck I have at these stores, because I want to buy everything today. So if I can't find stuff that will get me this look today, then I'm kind of screwed. But if I could find open shelves that I could style like this, I feel like it would look good and not tacky. And then the last thing, this is just like super basic, but I just want a rug, like a runner going through the entire bathroom. So I love this like white jute one. The floor is white, so maybe if we could get something with a little pattern in it, it would just give it a little contrast. So those are my ideas. Like I said, if we can't find these things at the store, then I'm just gonna be pulling things out of my whatever I'm pulling it out of, because we only have a few stores to find this at. But let's go shopping. First stop. All right, first up, we have different rug options. My concern is that I have a lot of hearth at home. Ugh, I don't like that. That sucks because I thought I was gonna like that. If it didn't have this, I would actually like it, I think. Okay, what else? That one I have in the laundry room already. How ugly is this? Oh, well, so it's not anywhere long enough. Shoot. Okay, these are the floating shelf options, and I'm not loving any of them. Like, I just don't like that coming off. This is too thick. This I have, but it's way too long. It's 36 inches. The only one that I actually am kind of debating is if we did a picture ledge and did pictures leaning up against each other. That would actually look kind of good. I'm trying to have Instagram help me decide what towels to get. I should probably show you. Okay, I'm debating between these, you know, like hanging on the hook, or this one, which I actually like this one better, but it's kind of close to the wall color, so that's my only concern. I think we're leaning towards these towels, and then hanging on the hook like this, which I actually think would be cute, or on gold hooks like this. I already have this hook in my laundry room, really like it, but also have these. I do like this one though, because I can cover the holes for the other shower rod, which was like one concern I had. All right, this is what I'm thinking above the toilet. So we have this floating shelf, which is like $15 at Target, and then do something like this. I think it'd almost be perfect if I could get like a vintage or one, like something that's not new, and would be like this in front of there. I like that a lot, actually. I just had the best luck at Target. You know how sometimes it's like hit or miss if you find stuff or not? Well, I just found so much stuff. So here's the current plan. Oh my god, it's like 1,000,000 degrees in here. Above the toilet, I ditched all the other ideas that we had, and I'm gonna do a picture ledge shelf, and then I got a white frame, I got a gold frame. I might add in another frame if I find one, but honestly it's fine the way it is. So I'll probably just go on Etsy or like BFF print shop or somewhere like that and get digital like download type of things to put in there. And then I got towel hook, like a towel bar hook where we're gonna put the towels. I got towels. The only thing that I didn't find is a rug to put down the center. I got a vase for the marble tray, which this Target didn't have the marble tray, but my local one does, so I might just go and pick that up after this. Honestly, it was like a really good find. So now I'm gonna go to Home Goods. I don't even think I need to go to At Home anymore, which is awesome because it'll save me time. I'm back from the shopping excursion, and I actually got some really good things. So I'm gonna do a little mini haul to show you because I feel like it was kind of confusing. and I was like whispering because people were walking in the aisle. Then I just felt awkward, you know, the whole gist. So besides Target, I went to HomeGoods and At Home and was able to find everything I needed, which is so awesome. So first, okay, I got that white shelf that you did see for above the toilet. This is like $15. And then I got, for frames for that, I got this and I got this. So I think I'm gonna layer them. And then in this frame, I have a film picture that my cousin took that I got printed out. And then this one, I have like a little wordy, cute thing that I found. And then for towels, I ended up getting this, which was also like $10, $12.99. So that's great. And these waffle towels that I'm gonna have like draped on them. Cute, you know, that looks horrible. But when I actually do it, it'll be super cute. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this, but I got this tray to possibly put on top of the toilet. I don't know. We'll have to see what that looks like. And it also might be like too long, which would be an issue. And then on top of that tray, I got this candle, which smells like heaven. Mandarin Orange Blossom. So that would be cute. Then behind me, what else did I get in here? Oh, I'm not sure what hand towel situation I want. Plus I already have a hand towel, so I might just use that. But I got this, and then the other one that is like literally sitting on the camera tripod, so I can't take it off. But whatever one I don't use, I'll just return. The tray, like the actual vanity situation. So HomeGoods has the best, has the best soap. So I just got 2 of these that I'll put on each of the vanities. $4 each. This marble tray was a little bit of a splurge. It was $40. I don't know. Do you think $40 is expensive for this? I kind of do, but it's real marble, so I guess that's what you get. I'm going to put this in between the 2 vanities. And then on here, I'm going to put this like that. Okay, and then envision this. That like that, then like 2 perfumes. And then I got this frame. And I have a picture of like Ben and I. So I think that'll actually be really cute. The last thing I got was a rug for the bathroom. Found it at Home for 20 bucks, which I feel like for a rug, that is a great price. And 2 bins to finish organizing my bathroom. So that's it. And now I need to start taking down stuff so we can start decorating. Am I the only one that has decorative towels that like you don't actually use? They're there for decor purposes. Because it sets him over the edge. Why do we have towels when we can't even use them? I got these 2 frames from Target, obviously, and then I just printed out 2 photos to go in each, and I'm just going to have them leaned up against each other. This big one is going to have a film photo that my cousin actually took, which is really, really cool. This, which I think will be pretty. It's kind of very pixelated. Shit. It's very pixelated. I don't know, I don't hate it. I feel like since it's the film camera, it kind of gives it that look. And then in this one, I got this, I found this on Pinterest, could not find a place to buy it or who did it, but I really liked it, and it said, "Weeping may endure overnight, but joy comes in the morning," which I thought was perfect for the bathroom. So I'm gonna get those in there. like this is kind of random and just like too large. But maybe I don't hate it. I can't tell. What do I think? Leave it or keep it? Otherwise, would it look weird if just the candle was on top? Yeah, that's weird. You're like, why is that candle just randomly sitting there? All right, now to style the vanity. So I got that marble tray from Target, and it does take up a decent amount of space, but I kind of like it. I'm gonna put cute stuff in here and like also make it decently practical. So now that I have the tray, I'm going to go get a vase, because in those inspiration images, every single one of them had like a vase type of thing in it. So let me go grab that. I think we'll put that right there. This little frame of Ben, because this bedroom is a shrine of Ben apparently. And then I have 2 perfume bottles that I'm just going to set like that. And then the only other thing I'm debating, I don't know if these perfume bottles necessarily jive with each other, but this one's almost out anyway, so it's fine. Once we get the greenery in here, I think it'll add a lot. Okay, I feel like that works. Yeah, that actually looks pretty good. Last thing is the rug. Oh, really cute. Cute! Yay! It looks so much better in here. And that was my apartment bathroom transformation. I'm like so happy about it. It turned out really good, especially for doing it in one day and not ordering anything online. It was really easy. It was fun too to do, which sometimes, you know, projects can become not fun. So this was fun. Hopefully it gave you some ideas for your own apartment or home. They were all pretty much renter friendly. I mean, we're allowed to put holes in our wall. So, well, I don't know if we're actually allowed to, but I do it. So we'll figure that out. But I know some people have like rules where they can put like golf ball holes in their walls and they don't get fined. So maybe you're in that, maybe I am, I don't know. We'll find out. But hopefully that gave you inspiration for your own home. It was done super affordably. Everything essentially was from Target. If not, it was from At Home for like $20. I think we have a $7 frame in there. It's just very, very affordable project, which we all love, right? So make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post a ton of decorating videos, but follow me on Instagram at @BySophiaLee. Subscribe to my channel. We have so many fun things happening here. I think next week, actually, I'm gonna go decorate my sister's college apartment, which is really fun. And that's all I have for you. I'll see you at the next video.